everybody! I'm here today to show you how to remove a fridge door handle. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps that are required for removing a fridge door handle just like this one. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, you might need to remove the handle of your fridge if you have to move it into another room and you have to maneuver it through a tight spot. And yes, you'll hear my children in the background because I wanted them to see Daddy making this video right here so that they could hopefully get inspired to start something of their own when they're older. All right, so let's get back into the tutorial. You can see there are actually two screws up here, and there's actually a little Allen key spot right here, and that's all that you need to do to actually remove the fridge door. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this camera just like this, and over here I'm going to get my screwdriver, and essentially we're going to start off by removing these two screws at first. So two screws have to come out just like that. All right, very simple and straightforward. Now that the two screws are out, okay, we can actually take our Allen key right here. I've already got the right size for it. And we can loosen this. There's just a little tightening piece. And as you can see, we're almost out already. It looks like we're out. That's it. As you can see right over here. I'm going to put it back on, buddy. My son just told me don't take off the fridge door handle. As you can see right here, this is the fridge door handle. We've taken it off, and it's very simple. And also, if you wanted to switch sides, like on one second, on this fridge, you can actually change the door handle to that side and move the hinge to the other side. So if you wanted to change sides, it's literally that simple. Now, to reinstall the fridge door handle, because you don't want to just take it off, eventually you have to put it back on. I'm almost done, I promise. You want to essentially put it back in place just like this. Line up all of the holes. I'm almost done, guys. 1 second, please. Maybe 1 minute. I'm gonna tighten up this Allen key spot right here. So that gets tightened up first, okay? It's nice and secure. Now I'm gonna get the two screws. You guys see what I'm doing over here? I'm gonna get the two screws. I was talking to my kids, but also to the viewers. You see what I'm doing? You're going to get the two screws, put them in place. Now, every fridge door is going to be different, so I cannot say that this will work for every single fridge door to ever exist in the history of time and in the future, but I will say that this is going to be a very similar process for the vast majority of fridges. So as you can see right here, the handle is nice and secure. It was actually a little bit loose before I took it off and put it back on. It was wiggling at the bottom because the Allen key the Allen bolt had loosened up a bit. So now it's actually really secure, so it's even better, right, guys? I'm talking to my kids, right? See? So hopefully Mommy's going to be happy when she comes home because the fridge door will no longer make that rattling noise. So if you have to remove a fridge door handle for any reason, then this is generally how you're going to do it. 1 second, buddy. I'm almost done. Okay, I'll give you a treat after. You can have a snack. The freezer door handle is going to be the exact same thing, just the opposite way, as you can see. And the vast majority are going to be very simple like that. And that's it. As you guys can probably hear, I definitely need to end this video, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hold on. I'll give you a hug. 1 second. Okay, I gotta end this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.